Stop scrolling for just 10 minutes. Seriously, because in the next 10 minutes, you're about to wake up every muscle in your body, boost your energy, and feel proud that you actually showed up for yourself today. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. Just you, your body, and a small space at home. If you've ever thought, I don't have time to work out, this video is for you. Stay with me because by the end of this, you'll realize 10 minutes is all it takes to feel stronger, lighter, and more alive. Alright? Take a deep breath with me. Let it go. Today is not about perfection. It's not about looking a certain way. It's about moving your body and reminding yourself that you are capable. Whether you're a beginner, getting back into fitness, or just short on time, this full body workout is designed to meet you exactly where you are. We're going to start by gently warming things up, because your body deserves care. Begin by standing tall, rolling your shoulders back, and swinging your arms loosely. Feel your joints waking up. March in place, lifting your knees just a little higher with each step. You don't need to rush, let your breathing find a rhythm. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. This is your time. Now let's turn up the energy. Start with simple squats. Sit back like you're lowering into a chair, then stand up strong. Feel your legs working, your core engaging. If squats feel tough, that's okay. Go slower or don't go as low. What matters is that you're moving. With every rep, remind yourself I'm getting stronger. From here, let's take it to the floor for push-ups. You can do these on your knees or against a wall if needed. Lower your chest with control, then push the floor away. Feel your arms, chest, and shoulders working together. This isn't about counting reps, it's about effort. Even a few good ones count more than you think. Now pop back up and let's get your heart rate up a little. Jumping jacks are next, but remember, you can always step side to side instead of jumping. Move your arms big and wide, feel your lungs working, your heart pumping. This is where the magic happens. Your body is burning calories and building endurance all in your living room. Let's slow it down just slightly and focus on your core. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and bring knees up one at a time, like a standing march. Pull your belly button in, stay tall. Your core is involved in almost every movement you make, and strengthening it helps with balance, posture, and everyday life. Back to the floor for a quick plank. Drop down on your forearms or hands, whichever feels better. Keep your body in a straight line, squeeze your glutes, and breathe. If your arms start shaking, that's a good sign, it means you're challenging yourself. Hold on just a little longer than you think you can, you've got this. Now stand up again and let's finish strong. Do a few quick bodyweight lunges, stepping one foot forward and lowering down. Switch sides. Feel your legs and glutes firing up. Keep your chest lifted and your movements controlled. This is where mental strength meets physical strength. As we come to the end, slow everything down. Shake out your arms and legs. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Notice how your body feels right now, warmer, more awake, more energized. You just gave yourself a full body workout in 10 minutes. That matters. If you're feeling proud, you should. Consistency beats intensity every time. Come back to this workout whenever you're short on time, low on motivation, or just need a quick reset. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple and effective workouts, and share this with someone who thinks they don't have time to exercise. Remember, 10 minutes can change your day. I'll see you in the next workout.